Okay, so I asked you to search for TextView Android. Usually when I do a search, I always add the word Android at the end of it so that it only shows me Android results. The first link is for TextView and it's on the developer.android.com site, so I'm going to click on it. I can ignore most of the information on this page, except I do want to verify that this is indeed for TextView. I can read the class overview, but the most important thing is down here, the XML attributes. So I can manually scroll the list, but that will literally take forever, so I'm going to use the find feature that I talked about earlier. The quiz question was about finding an attribute that would change the text to be bold or italic, so I'm going to search for the word bold. Cool, so let's look at this description. It says style, bold italic or bold italic for the text. That sounds pretty good, so I can click on this attribute. For Android text style, it seems that the different values are normal, bold, or italic. Let's try it out. The documentation says that if I add Android text style attribute, then I can set it to be bold, italic, or normal. So let's try bold. Nice, and it bolds the font. And let's be adventurous and try italic as well. Awesome, it italicizes the text. So this was an example of how you can look at documentation to find new attributes that you can set on your text view. In the future, when you're working on something and you get stuck or you don't know how to do it, remember that you can always use documentation as a resource.